with me, Mounjaro 5 milligrams update, my Mounjaro weight loss update. Hey friends, clearly I've had 2 cups of coffee this morning. Let's dive into my Mounjaro weight loss update and let's get ready with me. All of the products I'm going to be using are going to be down in the description link below. It says ... more. That's where all these affiliate links will be if you like any of the products I'm talking about, and all of my free Mounjaro weight loss success checklist is down there. Our free Mounjaro weight loss group is down there. The encouragement group is down there. So let's go ahead and dive in. I'm first and foremost putting on vitamin C serum. This is from the brand called Art Naturals. They actually have the serum duo of where they have the nighttime, excuse me, the nighttime serum to go with it too. I've heard such great things. That feels amazing, by the way. Let me do a little bit on my neck, because my neck, I'm losing 28 pounds in, I just took my 9th shot, 28 pounds. My weight loss did stall this past week, and I noticed a substantial difference. This is week 9 of Mounjaro. In my hunger, I got more hungry. I don't know if that's hormonal, if that's why, or if my body's just getting accustomed to the Mounjaro 5 milligrams. But my Mounjaro injections, the side effects have also subsided significantly this week relative to all the other previous ones too. So this is, by the way, what the bottle looks like. I will link that down below. So the side effects have stopped, and not stopped. I don't have acid burn the way that I did previously, and I still do have leg cramps. My doctor and I have been talking about that, and I've been taking Element electrolytes, which I'm obsessed with, and I've been taking magnesium. All of those are also in my success checklist, like the specific brands I use, the ones that have been recommended to me from my doctor, things that I am loving and have I bought so much stuff on Amazon to test and try, and those are the ones that I like. Love, 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 love. Okay, next up, this is Circell. It is their ABO face serum, and we're just going to do a few pumps of that. And by a few pumps, I mean a bunch, because I'm like mayonnaise. I love condiments, and that's how I feel about face skincare products. So my neck, I have been worried about my neck. I've noticed that it's gotten thinner. So I've been trying to do extra special care on my neck to make sure that it's like, as I lose weight, that it also like shrinks in a little bit. The other thing that has been helpful this week with the Mounjaro 5 milligrams is noticing when my body's full. So as we're out to eat, my husband he's like, you're the best, cheapest date ever. Because I'll like literally eat like 3 bites and then be like, I'm done. Last night we went out for a date night, and I ordered oysters, ceviche, and then some sauteed mushrooms. I had like a couple of bites of each. I had 3 oysters, a couple of bites of the ceviche, and then the mushrooms, and I was like, I'm done. Like, call it a night. That was amazing. And the level in which my food has, like food quality and food nourishment and food that I'm excited about, has significantly gone up. I've been doing the low carb meal delivery service that I bought. I'm obsessed with it. Well, let me first put this on. This is, by the way, the my skin's feeling dry today. It's a dry kind of day, so we're gonna put a little bit of that extra on. I bought the home delivery system, which, by the way, I do have a 75% off promo code for your first meal. And then after that, I think it's like 60%. I forget what it is. They gave me a promo code for y'all, but I bought mine. Like I bought mine from them. I am obsessed. It tastes so good in terms of food. So for dinner, what I've been doing, and it saved us so much money, by the way, like the food quality is really good, but it saved us a ton of money, because I will make those meals for lunch for me, dinner with my family. I typically am not really eating as much dinner. I'll like sit and have like a cup of coffee and some sparkling. Like, I'm just not hungry. It's not that I don't want to eat, or if I do, I'll have like a small portion of what I made earlier. So I'll make that at lunch because I work from home, feed that for my family for dinner, and have leftovers. It's so good, but it's so easy. Like, you guys know me, I'm like the Swedish chef. And so like stuff flies everywhere. So I made this sauce that they had, it like flew everywhere. It was really good though. But I'm loving that. It's my new favorite thing. And it comes with all the ingredients. So it's cut down on my grocery shopping. It's cut down on my meal prep time and like cooking time, no joke, by at least 2 hours, because they deliver everything in little packages, and then I can just prepare it. So that's really helped if you're struggling with like time management for your meals, or like what to eat that's good and healthy. They're low carb. And so they're vegetables that come on the side, which is what I wanted. I was like, I want fresh vegetables. Dang it. I don't want like rash, or you know what I mean? Like, I didn't want packaged stuff. And so they have fresh vegetables. It is so good. that has been a game changer for me also this week. I know that my weight loss stall is because I am getting more hungry, and I don't know if that's the injection or if that's, is that the injection or is that like just my hormones? You know what I mean? Like I do definitely, that time of month definitely does play into it, but I don't know if that's playing into it right now. So to be continued on that for next week's update, which by the way, if you're new here and you haven't seen my Mounjaro weight loss playlist, go watch that. I have literally since the beginning of this journey of like, how did I get my Mounjaro prescription? How did I get my first Mounjaro injection? How do you walk through the Mounjaro like coupon and savings card, and then like with Mounjaro with your insurance and getting your prescription and like all of that. So I did also get last week my next box of the 5 milligrams. My doctor did not want me to bounce up to the next step due to potential issues of pancreatitis. She said that there have been studies been showing that a lot of people, not a lot of people, let me rephrase that, that people have been getting pancreatitis because they are going up too quickly in amounts. And she's like, hang out, you've been a month on 5 milligrams, do another month on 5 milligrams. This is not a sprint. Like we need you to have a healthy pancreas and not to get pancreatitis. So I'm also though like, is that why I'm so, because I'm not so hungry, but I have noticed a significant difference of quantity of food in which I want to consume. And that's somewhat frustrating. I do wonder if that will go away if I go up to the 7.5 milligrams of Mounjaro, if that's gonna switch, or if my body's just getting used to the amount. But so many people in our Mounjaro weight loss encouragement group have been like, you don't have to increase to continue to lose weight. Actually, many of you guys have told me that. And I erroneously thought that you have to keep ticking up to continue to lose weight. But the hunger piece has come back, and that's where I love not being hungry. Like to have a reprieve on my food challenges, the mind effery that comes with that, to have a reprieve on that for the last 8 weeks has been a miracle. Like literally, I have prayed for the past 3 years for that, to relieve the mental stuff that comes with food, and to have had a break with that. Oh my gosh, that has been so I want that to come back, because it's not that I'm having like crazy obsessive thoughts about food anymore, because I'm not. But definitely there's a difference, and there's like like I notice it now. Like with food, I'm like, oh, it's right now, it's lunchtime, and I'm gonna go it's not like I'm intentionally skipping meals. I just have significantly smaller portions. In fact, one might say normal portions, whatever normal is. Normal's a dishwasher setting, like a washing machine setting. There's no such thing as normal. But in terms of like appropriate food portion sizes, that's what I liked before. I really liked having super small portion sizes. Next, I'm using the Lange lip mask. Love this stuff. It's so awesome on your lips. If you get dry lips or just want to have like cute moisturized lips, I'm gonna just put it back on my hand. A little bit on the back of my hand. This stuff is great, and I have every single flavor. It's really good. Those, again, everything will be down in the affiliate description link below. Okay, so going back to the food, like the portion sizes. Hold on, I need my highlighter. Where did it go? I dropped it. Nilly muggins, I dropped it. I lost my other one. So family stuff has been going great in terms of meal prep. I have solved that problem with the food meal delivery system. 5 milligrams, been going great. I have not yet done my Mounjaro injection besides my stomach. I've only done my Mounjaro injection in my stomach, not my arm and not my thigh. If you've done either of those, let me know in the comments. If you have, and if you've just done your stomach like I am, why you don't want to do it in your arm or your thigh, let me know. I'm super, super curious. I'm afraid it's gonna hurt. Like literally, that's my whole thing. I'm like, I don't want to feel the pain of potentially, like, I just don't want it to hurt, because it doesn't hurt at all in my stomach. I don't even notice. I'm like, please, Botox hurts worse than that. Like it doesn't hurt really at all doing it in my stomach. So that's where I'm curious, and I'm tempted to try in another area just to give, because people have talked about scar tissue, about repeatedly injecting, and I do like work my way like a clock when I do my Mounjaro injection, like a clock around my belly button. I do a little clock around my belly button. And so, but I feel like I need to, like, this will be the 10th shot on Wednesday for me. I feel like, I don't know, I feel like I should switch it up maybe. I don't know. What do you guys think? Tell me in the comments. I do also, going to be doing an Mounjaro Amazon Live again. I've done those the past two. I've done 2 of them, and they have been so much fun, particularly with our encouragement group, the Mounjaro Weight Loss Encouragement Group. I give away a gift card for group members. We pick a winner from group members, which is always fun on the Amazon Live. We do it actually in the group afterwards, but it's so much fun. I'm thinking about doing that again this weekend. Let me know if you're interested in that. It's been a lot of fun to do that live. I really enjoyed it quite a bit, actually. So I've been debating if I should do it again this weekend, but I think I'm going to. And I think that's crooked. I'm going on live for Amazon. Some of you guys know, like, I do live streaming for a living for Amazon and a bunch of different companies. So in getting ready to go in a show, I'm missing something. What am I missing? My lips and my hair. Oh, that's what I'm missing. Hold on. What I'm missing. It's called Style Edit. It's root touch up. My roots are so bad. It's so bad. I just haven't been able to get my hair dyed. So we'll worry about that another day, Scarlett. But today is not that day. Today we're just going to use this little the Style Edit puff. You just put it down in there, and then you can just get rid of your grays. Somewhat. Hopefully it doesn't leak like Rudy Giuliani all down my face while I'm live streaming with the lights and the heat. Whoop, gotta blend that one in. So going back to Mounjaro, in our group, we've also been talking. I have gotten on TikTok, if you guys follow me on TikTok, gotten a bunch of hate this week from people not understanding about Mounjaro and being like, oh, it's a quick fix. I'm like, I have done everything in my entire life to try to lose weight, particularly with food eating challenges. And so trying to explain that to people who don't have food eating challenges, like, this drug is not right for them if they have not experienced that, and obviously type 2 diabetics too. Explaining that is like, it's complicated. You know what I mean? I want to be like, it's not worth, like, they just don't get it. And so I don't know how to explain that properly, of like, this is literally a life-saving medication for me. It's done so much for my health already in starting like 8 full weeks, starting my 9th week. It has done so much for me. So explaining that to other people who haven't had weight challenges has been interesting. I don't even think my own family really gets it, which is okay. I don't have to explain myself to anybody. I mean, it's between my doctor and I. But it's been very interesting, and I get it too. Like, I also get it. If I had a food issue, I'd go, oh, like, didn't understand the depths of food issues, of how much and how hard I have worked for healing this stuff, and working with, you know, like a therapist and things like that to work on healing. I'm gonna fix my hair in a minute. It looks kind of crazy Looney Tunes, but first, I was doing a review earlier about the Chanel Color Lip Stay versus Revlon Lip Stay. I'm gonna test out part 2 of that right now. I'm gonna take off my Lange Lip Mask. So I usually let that Lange Lip Mask sit for like a couple minutes, and then it already feels so much more moisturized. But I'm curious to see about this Revlon. What is Chanel better? Or is Revlon? I feel like I have a kind of a feeling that Revlon's actually going to outperform the Chanel one, but we'll see. The applicator is different. That's interesting. The Chanel applicator. Oh no, it's actually, so the Chanel one's slightly bigger. This is the Chanel one. Slightly bigger. Interesting. The texture's similar. Holy chips. Okay. That is very similar, and for significantly different price point. Let me put on the glass part. What was the other thing? I've been tired. That was my other big thing that I thought would go away, but it hasn't. The night of my injection, I am very tired, very tired. And my family knows that for 24 hours after my shot, I'm tired. And I'm giving myself extra grace to be tired. Before, I probably would have pushed it with like work stuff. I'm not pushing it now. Now I'm like, I'm not pushing myself. If I'm tired, my body's telling me I'm tired, I'm gonna respect that and listen to my body. So I have started swimming as well. I love swimming. And so my spiritual advisor / therapist had encouraged me to find body movements that I love doing, which is swimming. And so I've gotten back to swimming. Y'all, I'm obsessed. I'm so happy. I went 2 days ago, it was so much fun. It takes me longer to get to the pool than actually to swim. I'll swim for like 25 to 30 minutes, but and it takes me longer to get there. But man, was I so happy. Like, joyfully so happy. I felt like a little kid. So that's my encouragement to you too, if you're starting body movement, to find something that you really, really enjoy doing. By the way, T3 is one of my clients, and you can see their live stream on the Countess of, it's supposed to be Countess of Shopping, but it's still Countess of Low Carb from my rebrand. On the Countess of Low Carb Facebook page, you can see that live stream. I'll be live streaming for them on my Facebook page with different hair tools and techniques, which I need to dye my roots before this week's show. And I'm using the wrong brush. You're not supposed to use this brush. It's for blowouts, not for like brushing your hair. So excuse me, pardon. I just didn't feel like running to go get the other one. Anyways, I love T3 stuff. They just sent me some of the new stuff. It has not come out yet. It's so awesome. I'm obsessed, obsessed, obsessed. Not obsessed with that though. Holy gazolies. We need to figure that out. So I think those are my big things. The biggest victories this week: no weight loss. However, I'm feeling good. Like, to have 28 pounds gone, it's a game changer. And also, by the way, 28 pounds in 8 weeks, 8 full weeks, like, that's a lot. You know what I mean? Like, I want to keep losing a ton of weight, obviously, but also I think it's good to slow the train down just a little bit, which is why I think my doctor was like, okay, we're going to just hang out at that 5 milligrams, the Mounjaro, 5 milligrams of Mounjaro for another month. I can see why she did that. I can totally see why she did that. So, but I also don't want to not lose weight. You know what I mean? I don't mind this week not losing weight, but I do want to, this week I'm being really intentional about my food that I'm consuming. And the other thing that I'm being super intentional, I gotta blend this, y'all. I gotta get a Q-tip to blend that. It looks a little Rudy Giuliani-ish. Let me just blend. We're gonna blend that in. There we go. We're just gonna blend a little Joe Gorga, circa Real Housewives of Beverly Hills, or New Jersey. We're just gonna blend that in a little bit. There we go. Sorry guys, I can't apparently talk and blend my roots at the same time. I'll work on that on the next week's show. Yeah, but I think the big thing is this week I'm being really intentional about my portion sizes. You'll have to stay tuned to next week's update because I've been testing something related to food. I don't want to tell you guys just yet because I don't want to tell about it unless I've like done it for a while and that I actually like recommend, but it's something surprising, something jarring. I do like this lip, by the way. I'm getting distracted. This Chanel one, that is literally the same thing for significantly less. Holy gazolies. Woohoo, win. Make sure that you go ahead and, if you haven't joined the Mounjaro Success Group, check that out. Join the new Amazon Live that I'll be having this week for Mounjaro. I'll put the link down below. Join that. I think I might be doing those like every Sunday. If you guys like them, tell me also in the comments if that's something that you'd be interested in. Like, I know that our Mounjaro and weight loss, WEGOVY weight loss, and Ozempic weight loss encouragement group, we've been liking those. Let me know here if you guys like them over here too. And be kind to yourself, be kind to others. I'm Countess of Shopping, Royal Life meeting joyful living. Have a great day. Bye guys.